Their work was amazing and their performance was incredible. Let's go through them one by one. Sarah J looked so beautiful. She was so cute when he still whispered to her. Justin looked really handsome then, and the voices were strong and live na live. I also noticed na yung choreography, lalo yung kay Pablo's part was really awesome. He even bent down to the floor, but his voice still sounded powerful. Then, during the dance break, Ken really stood out with his cool presence. Actually, all of them were another level already. At si Josh, yung face niya talaga really has a different kind of charisma on stage. Si Estelle then, during the ad-libs gave me goosebumps talaga. I also noticed the OG, it was so good, just perfect. Kaya ang bibigay ko sa kanilang rating ay kung sobra-sobra na sa 100, perfect talaga.